I hope you're having an awesome day. And we are here. We're doing lesson number 40, or I'm sorry, 64. And we have some plates out here today. Let's count how many plates we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I turn the table this way, let's do our computer this way so you can see. If you look at the plates this way, it kind of looks like a tin frame. You have those little spots where the plates are. Well, we're going to be using those plates kind of like we use our tin frames, except we're going to group some things. Alrighty. Here is a big old container of our pennies. I bet you guys would want to have some of these pennies in your containers, in your cubbies, to spend it at the kindergarten store. Wouldn't that be awesome? Well, I wonder how many pennies are in this container. Well, it seems like a lot. One way I can find out how many pennies are in this container is to estimate. Now, estimate is a new vocabulary word. Estimate means I'm going to take an educated guess. I don't know for sure how many are in here, but I'm going to take a guess. Now, if I said, oh man, there's only 2 pennies in here, would that be a really good estimation? No, it wouldn't be. There's clearly more than 2 pennies in this container. So you really have to look at it and think about how many you actually think are in this container. So take you an educated guess right now. Look at the pennies and take a guess. Shuffle around here. This is how thick the container is. All right, you got your number? Awesome. Well, we're going to count these and see if your estimation or your educated guess is correct. So we are going to start by counting out the pennies. Ms. Horton's going to count them one at a time. And in each plate, I'm going to put 10 in there. So let's begin. All right, I have my pennies, and we're going to put 1 in each plate until we get to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to move on to my next plate. So there's 10. And then I'm going to put 10 more in here. So let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have no more pennies in our cup anymore. And there are 10 pennies in each of our plates. So now we need to count and see how many pennies there actually are. We just put them in groups of 10. All right, so we have our groups of 10. And we had how many plates? Right, 10 plates. And there's 10 pennies in each plate. So we have 10 groups of 10. So if I have 10 here, and I have 10 here, and all throughout, can I figure out how many pennies are all together? I can. We can count by tens. But let's go ahead and start counting by ones to make sure how many we have. Then we'll start counting by the tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh man, that's half the pennies. Wonder what our actual number will be. Okay, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. There are 100 pennies out here. Did you estimate 100 pennies? Was it close to 100 pennies? Was it less than 100 pennies? Was it more than 100 pennies? So we have 10 pennies in each, and there are 100 pennies. So we can count by tens just to make it a little easier. So 10, and then when we counted 10 more, that was the number 20. Now we count using tens every day during calendar. So we can do this, and we know how to count from 10 all the way up to 100. So let's try this using our pennies. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we can count by tens just by in groups. So we have 10 pennies in here. Well, I knew that was just 10. Now go up 10 more. Well, that's the number 20. Let's try it with something different. I'm going to put all these pennies back up. That's a lot of pennies. 100 pennies. All right. Now we're going to use a different object. And this objects, they're just different pictures you can see in here. There's a panda. There is an orange pumpkin, a yellow duck. There's all different kinds in here. A bunch of them. So we need to estimate first how many we think are in here. How many do you think? It's a pretty thick box on this one. The little pieces are a little bit bigger. You got your number? Okay, let's see if we can get your estimation super, super close Or maybe you're super, super off, but that's okay. That's what a guess is. And you'll continue to practice some estimation. All right, so Miss Horton's going to put 10 pictures in each of the plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. So we have 10 little pieces in every single plate, and our bucket is empty. All right, so we're not going to count each of them out. We know how to count by 10 now. We're going to practice. Let's start up here at this plate. Go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, now I want you to practice and say it yourself out loud. I'm going to hold the plate up and you do it as I go. Okay, you should have counted all the way up to 100 by 10. So we use 10 pieces in one plate, and there are 10 plates. So we are showing 10 groups of 10. All right, let's do something different now. Okay, friends, so in this hand right here, I have 10 pennies. Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 pennies in my hand. In this hand, I have one dime. One dime. So these 10 pennies are the exact same amount as this one dime. They're worth the exact same. So when we were counting our pennies, we put 10 pennies on one plate, and we counted by 10. So instead, could I just put one dime and still count by tens? Yes, I could. We talk about the dime a lot during our morning calendar. And we know this dime is worth 10 cents, and it takes 10 dimes to make $1. How many pennies make up $1? 100 pennies, just like we talked about. All right, friends, so we learned about some estimation. We're going to continue to practice how to count to 100 by our tens, and we're going to go even further than 100. We're going to go all the way up as high as you can, but we're going to keep practicing. So estimation, just kind of a wrap up. Estimation, we use it to make an educated guess on something that we don't really know the amount that's there. Now, you can use estimation on some things, and some things you shouldn't use estimation on. For example, I know that a few of you guys have farms at home, and do you think that it would be good just to estimate how many cows you have out there? No, you wouldn't want to estimate. You'd really want to count them one by one to make sure all of them are there. If you had some socks in your sock drawer, could you just estimate how many socks you have? You could. You could just estimate and see how many you have. If you wanted to really know, then you could count them out. All right, friends, I can't wait to see you when you come back to school. Bye.